Yes. Well, I was curious. I wanted to ask Mr. Wilkins if, upon my divorce, I have my ex-husband served, and I followed the man down there, and after he served him, I tripped and injured myself, and I was just curious if there's anything I could do to have my at least medical expenses covered.
Thank you for your call.
It's an interesting question because it sounded like she was going to her soon-to-be ex's property to serve him with some sort of papers or go with someone to serve some papers. If you're a trespasser, assuming you had not lived there for a long time and you'd been separated and you didn't have permission to be there, I think you might be out of luck. However, if you had some sort of permission to be there in the past and there was an understanding that you could go there with your son, then here's what I think you can do. I think you can make a claim against his insurance for medical payments coverage. So even though you're still married, I think you might be able to get medical payments in that situation. Usually $1,000 to $5,000 that really stops a lot of claims from being filed, because say, if you got hurt at my property, broke your arm, and you didn't want to sue me, but I had medical payments, you might say, well, you just pay my medical bills.
And you see people do that too.
It keeps a lot of lawsuits from being filed. Medical payments is a good coverage to have.